Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you, my friends? I'm so happy to be with you today. I'm teacher Alice and it's English for fun. Hello everyone and welcome to English for Fun. My name is teacher Alice and today we're going to learn body parts. Let's start. On the top of our body we have head. On the head we have eyes. We have two eyes. Nose. Mouth. Ears. In the upper part of our body we have neck. Shoulders. Arm. Hand. Fingers. Chest. Tummy. In the lower part of our body we have hips. Legs. Knees. Toes. Well done. Let's repeat. Head. Eyes. Nose. Mouth. Ears. Neck. Shoulders. Chest. Tummy. Arm. Hands. Fingers. Hips. Legs. Knees. Toes. Excellent, good job. Let's sing a part of the body song. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes, ears, mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Let's sing it again. 3, 2, 1, go! Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes, ears, mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Well done! Very good job! Excellent! I'm so glad to be here with you. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's English for Fun and teacher Alice. Bye bye for now. See you next time.